Yes, when you launch your Canva like this, you can use here to upload the image that you want to upload. So here, you click on the desktop, you go to download. So I will insert the picture here. So you insert the picture that you want to use here. So this is the picture that I want to use. You insert it here. So you position where you want to position it. And you see there's an app here. You click on the app. You go to the search bar. You search for an anime feed. So this is how you spell it. So there's it, anime feed. So you click on the anime feed. So you click on it here. Yes. So you then scroll down. You click open. So it is open. Take your time for it to finish open. Yes, it is open. It's open. Good. And it has opened like this. You then scroll down. You see customized instruction, so you can add some comment or something to it. So after you finish, you click and with image, you click it. Yes, it's generating the cartoon. So you wait patiently for it to finish. So it's generating. You see, you wait for it. You wait for it to generate. It is generating. Yes, because of network, so it is running slow. I have network challenge at my end. So yes, good. You see, it has turned to a cartoon. So you can replace it. When you replace this array image will turn to cartoon. So you see, replace. Let's see something. Good. You see, it has turned, the array image has turned to cartoon. So this is the array image. Let me show it here for you to see. You see the array image, and this is the cartoon. So this is how to convert a cartoon, a rare image or a picture to a cartoon in Canva. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.